If you want to be a successful commercial entertainer, click on the link below. Dooney's Coaching Secrets will help you. And my individual one-on-one sessions start at only $300, and it's a money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with it, I'll give you your money back. Okay, so I'm going to show you this again. Oh my goodness, it's on my balloon video. I think it was in my first book, second book. Take a yellow balloon, ball at the end. It's not blown up all the way. I just make a loop, and the reason the way I measure the loop is head, bumblebee, body. Head, bumblebee, body. If that's the right size, it doesn't matter how long this is. I bring it down from the middle, twist it around, and notice I pinch and twist at the same time, and I get a bumblebee. Now it's quick, it's easy. You can also modify this to make a hummingbird, okay? Either one of those work perfect for this. The reason I love the bumblebee is because it's very fast, but it's also very visual. Okay? Quick, easy, quick, easy. Now if I take that same fishing pole and string from the fish, I hook it here, now it's a flying stick. Whoa, bumblebee's flying. Zzz, bumblebee's flying. See how it becomes a toy and not a sculpture? Zzz, bumblebee's flying. See what I mean?